Guys, it's me and Daniel.
Yes.
If you guys saw the What's My Name video.
Yes, we're doing a unboxing video. We just got these a couple of days ago, and
we just got it yesterday.
Oh yeah. So now we are going to bring in our new item. Okay, so he's kind of cool right now, sleeping. So
a fidget. These fidget spinners are one of the rarest ones.
Yeah,
and this one is rare too.
I got a gold,
an Optimus Prime.
A gold Optimus Prime.
They both spin into the next
No,
day.
we're not spoiled, but we just got them. They cost like how much?
150,000.
No, it says they didn't.
Okay, fine. They cost 99.
No, they didn't.
Okay, fine. They cost 50. They did.
No, they didn't.
These
I hate it when you. I thought he was actually gonna say the truth, but they were 7.
No, they weren't.
Yes, they were. They're very rare. You can get them out. Very rare. So
They were always 15. Oh no, those were the Five Nights at Freddy's. Anyways, we should do the Five Nights at Freddy's because we just got that last year.
Oh yeah, we're gonna do a Five Nights at Freddy's channel too.
And we might do one thing. It's kind of be scary.
Yeah. So now we're gonna show in our teeny boost. I got a new one today. It was epic.
I got a new one too. Did I? Yeah, I did.
No, you didn't. All those are old. Okay.
Some of yours are old too.
Yeah, a lot of them are old. So bring in your first one. The one that you bought in. That I have way more.
My first one.
Your very, 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 very first one.
My very, very, very first one was buckwheat.
No, it wasn't. It was baby giraffe.
It wasn't.
I'll get it.
Okay, fine. Okay, it was one of the most itchiest ones, but I loved it so much. Baby giraffe.
And it's right. Diego.
What's up?
What's up? And we're gonna do a little video after, so
and also
we have to.
And also, this guy is too big.
Yeah. Okay, bring in your second one that you first.
My second one was. Who's my second one?
I think my second one was coconut.
Well, my second one was. Oh yeah, I forgot. My second one was
painted.
Yes, but now I got a new one.
Okay, come on.
This one. This is a really cute one.
I gave it to him after he painted his.
That was when I was 4. That was when I was 3. I didn't know anything.
You still did, or as you did. You could talk. You could do anything. So this is mine's coconut. I adore this little monkey.
So, what was my third?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I know my third. My third was Sven.
What?
Yeah.
That looked. Yeah, are you sure that was a teeny boo? Yeah, it was.
It is a teeny boo. It has really long horns. Or what are they? Horns? Antlers. Yeah, antlers. The really long antlers. How old are you then? 8. I'm 6.
Yeah.
He's about to be 9. I'm about to be 7.
Okay. Next. I like this one.
And fourth? Is it fourth ones?
Yeah, fourth.
My fourth one was buckwheat. Yeah.
No, it wasn't.
Yes, it was.
It was.
Oh yeah, I forgot. It was.
Yeah.
It was.
No.
Her.
Oh yeah.
It was crazy Fiona. I hate her. Literally hate her.
This is the beautiful Leona. Get your. Well, we'll bring in our fifth.
Oh yeah. Okay, now mine is the 5th. This guy was
Yeah.
Okay, so you go first. His name is Neptune?
Yeah, Neptune.
He's a what?
He's a seahorse.
seahorse. That is
pregnant.
Yeah, but isn't it really good?
Yeah. I was thinking of getting the pink one for him to be his soulmate. I was searching.
Okay. Mine is called Buckwheat. It's a bobcat.
Yeah. It's adorable.
At first, I thought it was a jaguar.
It took a long time to tell him it was.
Right on your hand.
Just nothing. Next, I got this one. Well, I know which ones you got after. Then you got... No. You got this one after. Then
No.
No, you got this one. And then it was that one and that one. That was your last. Okay. I have this one.
Right on the bruise.
I think her name was Flea. Adorable little sheep.
Mine was Zippy. So you go first.
Zippy is right here.
Zippy. It's a legendary. What?
It's just a limited edition.
It's a limited.
And then I have
the sea ones are limited editions.
And he only has 2 more. I have a lot more. I have 3 little ones. I want to.
That's a great spot.
Oh, come on. Come on, Dallies. Sorry.
She just jumped over.
Yeah, we have 3. What?
Tricked you. Ha.
Okay, we have 3.
Oh,
I have 3. He has 1 more. 2 more. Okay, bring them in. You go first.
mine is this
Angel one.
angel. Yeah, it's an angel. I love it so much. It has little
I
wings.
gave it to him.
Huh? Because you didn't really use it. Oh.
You told them about it.
Unicorn stable.
You're next.
I got 3 of
You should send him.
that was the one. 3 of a kind. We got Scarum the bat. Sheeties the ghost. And bonuses.
Wait, you're done?
Yeah, those are my 3.
And then I have. This is actually the cutest out of all cutes. Da-da, da-da. I know you didn't see him, but he's just practicing. He's a teenager. He's 17. 1, 2, 3. Got him.
They didn't even see that at all.
I know, and it's him.
Let me.
His name is Tiggies. Tiggies. Mr. Tiggies.
No, his name is Sticks.
No?
Is that a lot?
Tiggs. His name is Tiggs. 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 And then I have this one, Felicia. Yeah, it's adorable. Okay, bring in. Well, I could take it off. Then I have this other one called Sheely.
And then we're gonna show off our Build-A-Bears.
No, I didn't bring any of mine. So I have this other one called Snow. Whisper. Adorable little deer. Leo. Stinky. Socks the sock monkey. I only have 1 more that I really want to show you, but I have to wait. Glory. Scooter. That's what she did. Icy. Sammy the fish. I love it. It's a golden one. Very gold. Okay. The last and not least, Nova. Okay. She is awesome. This was the new one I got like a day ago. Nova. Thanks for watching the video.
Oh, wait, yeah.